A robotic lawnmower operates autonomously to mow grass without human intervention. Here's how it generally works. Navigation. Robotic lawnmowers use various navigation systems to move around the lawn. Most models employ a combination of boundary wires, GPS and/or onboard sensors, such as ultrasonic or infrared sensors, to detect obstacles and navigate the terrain. Boundary setup. A boundary wire is installed around the perimeter of the lawn, either buried just beneath the surface or secured above ground. This wire acts as a virtual fence that guides the mower and defines the mowing area. Mapping and programming. Some advanced robotic mowers can create a digital map of the lawn during their initial setup. This map helps them efficiently navigate and mow the entire lawn, avoiding obstacles and ensuring complete coverage. Mowing patterns. Once programmed and set up, the robotic mower follows a set mowing schedule or operates continuously depending on its programming and the lawn's needs. It uses an algorithm to determine the most efficient mowing pattern to cover the entire area. Cutting mechanism. Robotic mowers typically use sharp blades mounted on a rotating disc or drum. They continuously cut a small amount of grass with each pass, mulching the clippings into fine pieces that fall back onto the lawn as natural fertilizer, known as mulching. Charging and docking. When the mower's battery runs low or after completing a mowing session, it automatically returns to its charging station. Safety features. Robotic mowers are equipped with various safety features to prevent accidents. These may include sensors that detect obstacles and automatically stop or change direction, as well as tilt sensors that shut off the blades if the mower is lifted or tilted. Maintenance. Regular maintenance includes cleaning the mower's blades and underside, checking the condition of the boundary wire and ensuring the mower's software is up to date. In summary, a robotic lawnmower operates autonomously using navigation systems, boundary wires and sensors to navigate and mow a lawn. It continuously cuts grass, mulches clippings and returns to its charging station when needed. Robotic mowers offer convenience, efficiency and the ability to maintain a well-groomed lawn without direct human supervision. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.